Yes, so today also we are joining with a new video. Yeah, so from today's video we are going to show you how to draw small
A
birds.
bird.
Yes, yeah, we all like small birds. So yeah, there are kind of birds, different types of birds. What are the types? Yeah, there are small ones,
Yeah.
small beaks,
Yes.
curved
Yeah.
beaks. Yeah, right. So there are small birds with different shapes and different characteristics. Yeah. So we can actually use their shapes and use basic stuff. Yeah, shall we? Okay, we are gonna draw now. We are gonna start drawing. Yeah. Right. Okay. Now we are gonna take off the clip and right. This is what we are gonna do. We are gonna first draw a shape like this. Start from the middle. Okay. Yeah. A small one. A circle. Yeah. And then inside that you draw another small one. And then from there you join that like that. So that is the beak of the small birdie. Then from here the head part. Look, okay? Look what I'm doing. It's a half a circle like this. Right? Like this. Can you see? No, you can see a shape now of the birdie. This is the side wing, okay, of the bird. From here also, small feather like this. Take it more up. And from here, you join it like this. Okay. Now let's put a small tail to it. Okay. Like this. we'll put two small feet. Yeah, small feet, no? Two feet like this. Right, now we are going to color this. Yes, so we are done drawing the small birdie. Yeah, we colored also, no? Yeah, so this is what we try to teach you. Do small drawings in a very basic, simple shapes, and without making it too complicated. So also you can comment and subscribe our channel so that you can stay in touch with our videos and get updated with what we do. You can also share. Yeah, you can tell your friends.
Okay.
Tell how to share it.
You can share our videos with my friends so they can watch them.
Yes, okay. Please share, right? Okay. So please share it all your friends so that everyone can learn how to do this. Yeah. So not everyone, not only just few people. No, we had to let everyone learn these things so that everyone becomes a very successful person in life. So we are asking you to join us with the next new videos also again. Right, so we are gonna wrap up for today with this video that we have done today. Please watch our old videos as well, and please comment as well. So yeah, shall we say bye to everyone?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay then. Bye.
Bye bye.